Okay, good afternoon. We can start the chapter revision on triangle and its properties. I hope the textbooks are with you. Okay, so you have to write some questions. Okay, I will dictate the options also. Then you have to choose the correct answer. So write down the first question. The perpendicular line segment. The perpendicular line segment from vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called first option median, second base, third diagonal, and last option altitude. I will repeat this question. The perpendicular line segment from vertex of a triangle to its opposite side is called first median, base, diagonal, and altitude. Okay, so perpendicular line segment from the vertex of the triangle to its opposite side. Okay, what is the answer for this? Can you? A line segment perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to its opposite side. Okay, so what is the answer here? So here one triangle is given. Okay, this is what the triangle. Suppose the name of this triangle is A, B and C. So from any vertex of the triangle they drop a perpendicular over here. This has a D. Okay, so this is nothing but what perpendicular is drawn. Okay, perpendicular is drawn, that means it makes two equal parts. Okay, that means here it is nothing but what your perpendicular. It is nothing but your median. Okay, this is nothing but what your median. Getting this? Okay, write down next question. Few questions are filling the blanks and then we can go for conceptual questions. Okay, so write down the second one. Find the angle x in the following figure. Find the angle x in the following figure options. First 56 degrees. First one 56 degrees. B 57 degrees. C 58 degrees. And D 59 degrees. I will repeat. Find angle X in the following figure. Option A is 56. Option B is 57. Option C is 58. And option D is 59. Okay. So I will draw the figure which they gave here. Here they gave this figure. These are the two equal sides. Okay. This is the angle X and this angle is given 116 degrees. Okay. And they are asking us the value for X. Okay. So we can, how can we find out this angle value of X? Okay. So suppose if I am giving a name over here A, B, C and this part is D. Okay. Now here if you check, AC is equal to BC. Both the sides are given equal. That means this is what ABC is an isosceles triangle. If it is isosceles triangle, then their base angles are same. So if this is X, then this is also how much? X, no? Correct? And here, can you be able to see this angle 116 and this angle is nothing but what? In linear pair. Okay, because here we can't apply that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles. That also we can't do here. Okay, so here we can write here this is also 116 and this is in linear pair. So we can calculate. Suppose I will take this as a y. So here can we write 116 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 116. That is nothing but 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 7 minus 1 is 6 and here 0. That means this is 64. This angle you will get how much? 64. Now if you consider triangle ABC, then we can add y. X plus x is equal to 180 because triangle angle sum is how much? 180, no? Okay. So here y plus 2x is equal to 180. So y we already got as a 64. So 180 or you can write 2x is equal to 180 minus 64. Okay. That is equal to how much you will get? Again 116. So 116 and you can divide this by 2. Okay. 58. So you can write it as 58 and this is also as a 58. So here they are asking the value for X. So angle we will get answer as a option C, that is 58. Or else you can do one more thing. The exterior angle sum is nothing but what? Sum of the interior angle x plus x, that is 2x is equal to 116. So x is equal to 58. This is also one method we have. And this is a long procedure. Suppose if same question will ask, then we can go for this method also. Okay. So these are the methods to find out the answer for this. Copy this. Okay, everyone copied. Okay, then I will give next question. Okay, so chalo, write down next one. Write down next, which of the following cannot be, which one of the following cannot be, which one of the following cannot be the sides of a right angle triangle, cannot be the sides of a right triangle. Okay, I'll repeat, which of the following cannot be sides of right triangle. Okay, option A, write down 2 centimeter, comma 2 centimeter, comma 4 centimeter. Next, B option, 5 centimeter, comma 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. C, 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. And last option, none of these. Last option is none of these. I'll repeat this question. Which of the following cannot be the sides of a right triangle? So 2, 2, 4, B 5, 12, 13, C 6, 8, 10 and D none of these. Okay. So as per this option, so we know that which cannot be form a right triangle. Right triangle means what? The we are drawing a triangle means another third side is what? Greater than the 2. Okay, or sum of the two sides and third side is always less than that. Okay, and according to options here, very first option is there, that is here 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4. So this sum is also 4 and this side is also 4, which is not possible. Okay, we can't draw a we can't draw a triangle like these numbers are given. Okay, but if you go for B is nothing but what? One is 5, 12 and another is 13. If you take a sum of these, this is what? It will come 17, which is greater than 13. Here triangle we can able to draw. That is possible. Even in third case also 6, 8 and 10. Okay, 6, 8 and 10 and here also 6 plus 8. We have a value which is greater than 10. So here also this triangle is possible. So in both the cases are possible. Only in first case where the two sides are equal to the third side, which is not possible. Okay, the sum of the two sides equal to the third side. So this is not possible. So with this option we cannot draw the triangle. So option A is the correct option over here. Can you getting this? Okay, write down, copy this. So write down next one. One more. next question write down. In the following figure, find x. In the following figure, find x if BA is parallel to CE. If BA is parallel to CE. Okay. In the following figure, find x if BA is parallel to CE. First option given 65. First option 65. Second 50. Second 50. Third 75. D 115. D 115. Okay. I will repeat the question. In the following figure, find x. Okay. Find x if BA is parallel to CE. Okay. And options are given here: 65, 50, 75 and 115. Okay. So this we have to find out. So now the figure is given over here. And they are saying here this and this line is parallel. This is B, C and D. This is E, this is A. Okay. And this angle is given 65 and this angle is X. And this angle is given 50 degrees. Okay. So this much is the given information. Okay. And now we have to find out here the answer. Okay. So here they are saying BA is parallel to CE. BA is parallel to CE. Means BA and CE are parallel with each other. Okay. So we have to find out the angles. We have to find out the angle X. So how can you find out here angle X if these two lines are parallel? Yes, can anyone know how to solve this? So this angle 50, this angle and this angle are corresponding angles, no? Because these two are what, parallel. Okay, this is two lines are parallel and this is a transversal. That means this angle and this angle is what? Equal. They are corresponding angles. So if this is 50, then this is also 50, no? Correct? And here the thing is that from here we have one bisector and whose value is how much here? 65. This is we got 50. Now if you observe here, this angle is nothing but what? X. Okay, I will show you with another pen here. If we take this, all the three angles are nothing but what? In linear pair. Okay, so here can I write x plus 65 plus 50 is equal to 180 because they all are forming a linear pair. Okay, so means a straight line angle 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 65 plus 50, that is 110 and 105. So this will become 105. So x equal to how much you will get? Check now. Which option will come correct? How much will you get? Someone can type the answer. What is the answer will come here? Means 180 minus 105. Check. This answer comes how much? 75, no? So which option is correct? Option C is the correct answer over here. X value is nothing but how much here? X is nothing but 75. So option C is the correct option over here. Okay. So now write down here X is equal to how much? 75. So option C is the correct option. Getting this? Understood up to here? Okay. Copy everyone. If copied, just write yes, then I will go for the next question. Are you solved with co-interior angle property? Did you solve with co-interior angle property? With if you solve with co-interior angle sum, okay, did you solve with co-interior angle? If you solve with co-interior, then check that answer also, what it will come. So here you will get, means if you are taking this sum and this sum, okay, that is 50 plus x plus 65 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180. 115 only, no, here also. There I took 105. That is what I did here wrong. Yeah, but in both the way same answer only comes. That is 65. There I took 65 plus 50. I did it as a 105. Correct? That is what I made a mistake. But if you solve with this, you will get the answer 65. Okay, and that way also we will get 65. Okay, there is a calculation mistake I did from my end. Okay, sorry. So write down next question. In the given right angled triangle, ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Okay. In the given right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Find the value of x. Okay. Options are given. Write down. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to 3. And D is equal to 4. Okay, option A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. Okay, now here they gave the triangle ABC, okay, where angle B is 90 degree. That is also given. So I know everyone how to apply the Pythagoras. Okay. And here we use the identity to expand this these brackets. Okay, and the figure is like this. Okay, A, B and C, this is 90. This is given x plus 2, this is x minus 3 and this is what 5. Okay, so here we have to find out the value for x. How to find out x? Okay, so if we want to solve this, then you should know the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what is the Pythagoras theorem here? So opposite to this 90 degree is always hypotenuse. This is base and this is height. Okay, so Pythagoras formula is hypotenuse square, base square plus height square. So hypotenuse is x plus 2 whole bracket square, base is x minus 3 square plus 5 square. Okay, now the thing is that we never know how to solve this x plus 2 and all. So everyone learn the identities, I hope. So here a plus b whole bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab, and here a minus b whole bracket square is equal to a square b square minus twice of ab. Okay, so these formulas we can use over here to simplify this. So here it will come x square, 2 square is 4, 2 into x is equal to x square plus 9. Okay, 3 square is 9 and minus 2 into 3 into x plus 25. So here we can write x square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to x square plus 9, 2 into 3 is a 6x plus 25. So now x square is get cancelled. So remaining 4 plus 4x is equal to 9 minus 6x plus 25. So what I will do now, I will bring this minus 6 over here. So 4x plus 6x, 9 plus 25 and 4 you can transpose here minus 4. Okay, so 25 minus 4 is nothing but 21 and 21 plus 9 is 30. So 4 plus 6 is nothing but how much? 10x. Okay, so x is equal to 30 by 10, that is equal to 0 0 get cancelled and x I will get it as a 3. Okay, so to solve this is a 3 mark question. To solve this you should know the identities. Okay, so copy this and you should know the formula for Pythagoras, how to apply the Pythagoras over here. Okay, finished everyone. Then write down next one. One of the angle of a triangle is 130 degree. One of the angles of triangle is 130 degree and the other two angles are equal. And other two angles are equal, full stop. What is the measure of each? What is the measure of each of these equal angles. Each of these two equal angles. I'll repeat. One of the angles of a triangle is 130 degrees and the other two angles are equal. What is the measure of each of these equal angles? Okay. So here two angles are equal and one angle value is given. That means this is an isosceles triangle. Because in isosceles triangle, if the base angles are same, then their opposite sides are also equal. Okay, and here they are saying base angles. Any two angles are same. That means that is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so I will draw here figure. Okay, figure is not given. I am preparing. So here this angle is given 130. And they are saying this angle and this angle is same. If I name it as a B, C, and according to the theorem or according to the assumptions which we did and we learned about the isosceles triangle, opposite side of these two equal angles are also equal. Okay, now we are not interested in sides. We are interested in finding out the values for these unknown angles. So we know that triangle angle sum is 180 degree. So here we are adding this 130 plus x is equal to 180. If this question comes for 2 marks, then write down the reason. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. So here 130 plus 2x is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 130. That is equal to how much we will get? 50. Okay. Once you get this as a 50, 2x. So x is equal to how much? 25. So this also 25 and this also you will get it as a 25. So 130 plus 50 is nothing but 180. Okay. This triangle angle sum is also verified and we got the unknown angles also x. Getting how I am doing? Here I apply the triangle angle sum property and the thing is that here this is isosceles triangle. Getting this up to here. Okay, copy this. This kind of sums are also expected in your exams. Copy this. Okay, we use what here? Isosceles theorem ka concept as well as we use the triangle angle sum property. Okay, and we find out the unknown angles. Okay, and if we add unknown angles with the given value, then we will get as a total values of this triangle. Write down next question. Write down next question. Two angles of a triangles are of measures. Two angles of triangles are measure 150 degrees and 30 degrees. Find the measure of the third angle. Okay, I will repeat. Two angles of the triangle are of measures 150 degree and 30 degree. Find the measure of the third angle. Okay, so can you calculate the answer? Orally also, those who are practiced every day, they can give the answer of the third angle directly. Okay, so here again they gave one triangle. They are asking value for x and one value is how much? 130. No? How much are the sides is given? Angles are given. I forgot. Angle 150. I think there is some values are given by mistakenly. 150 plus 30 is 180, no? So x will become 0 here. Okay. So I think this question is mistyped over here. You can write one angle is 100 and another is 35. Okay, you can take one angle as a 100 and another as a 35. Otherwise, you will not get. Maybe that is mistyped. Okay, then they are asking third angle. Again, triangle angle sum property. So all the sum of three angles is nothing but 180. Write down here angle sum property is equal to 180. Triangle angle sum property. So here x is equal to 180 minus 135. That is equal to 45 is the answer. Okay. So third angle we will get it as 45. Okay. So write down. Okay, write down next question. If the angles, write down the next question. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio. If the angle are in the ratio, if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. 3:4:5. Find the smallest angle. Find the smallest angle. Find the smallest angle. Okay, write down. I will repeat. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:4:5. Find the smallest angle. Okay. So write down this and try to solve. How to solve this? Check. Here angles ratio are given. Okay. How to find out? Angles ratio are given. Here angles ratio are given. Okay. Not angle values. Here angle ratio are given. Okay. So here the ratios they mention here 3:4:5. Okay. That means here each angle is nothing but 3, 4 and 5. But the ratios are there. That means these are not actual value. So we can take each angle as a x and we can multiply here. Suppose if I am taking A, B and C. So here we can write angle A as a 3x, angle B as a 4x and angle C as a 5x. Okay. They are asking the smallest value of this triangle ka angle. So we can write here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 because triangle angle sum is nothing but 180. Okay. So A value is nothing but 3x, 4x plus 5x is equal to 180. So here 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. 9 plus 13, 9 plus 3 is nothing but 12x is equal to 180. Okay, x is equal to, we can write 180 by 12. So what is the answer here? X is equal to how much? We will get it as a 15 here. Okay. So once you know this angle x, so x is equal to, here put the value 3 into 15, 4 into 15 and 5 into 15. So 3 into 15 कितनी रहे? 50 into 3, 45. So here smallest angle is what? 45 degrees. Okay. So the answer is what here? Smallest angle is 45 and largest angle is 75. Okay. Copy this. Okay. Copy this. Now write down next question. Write down, find x comma y comma z. Find x comma y comma z from the figures given below. From the figures given below. Okay. Now this kind of questions are also comes for MCQ. So I will draw the diagram and now you can try to find out this values. Okay. So here I will draw the figures. You can also draw, or I will draw one by one. Okay, this is a triangle ABC. This is A, B and C. Okay, this is Z, this is X and this is Y. This is given 40 and this is given 30. Okay, then another figure is given here. Two more are there. First we can solve these two. Okay, this is 90, this is 45, this is Y and this is 40 and this is X. Okay, so now we can find out here X, Y, Z in both the figures. Okay, then one more question I will give you for calculating the angle values. Okay, now here how can you calculate here X, Y, Z? So here if we consider only triangle, big triangle ABC, then here we can write triangle angle sum, that is 40 plus 30 plus Z is equal to 180. Z is equal to 180, 40 plus 30 is 70 and when you transpose to that side it will become 70. So here answer we will get 110. So Z I got here 110. So now what about X and Y? So here if X, Y means this line is parallel to this line. Okay, suppose this I am taking DE. So DE is parallel to BC. That means angle X is corresponding angle 40 and Y is also we are getting corresponding angle 30. Okay, can you getting how to calculate? Getting this? How we did here? Corresponding angles. Two lines are parallel and one is transversal. Then here the angles formed. These two are also same. Okay. So this is nothing but due to corresponding angles. This is 40 and this is 30. Now here this is 90. That means this is also 90. Okay. This angle is 45. This is 90. Then this is also 45. No. Okay. If you want you can calculate. So one angle is 90. Another is 45 plus Y is equal to 180. So Y is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 40 is 130, 1 and 5. 135, that is nothing but 45. So why I am getting it as a 45? See, and now here this angle is 40. This is 90. This is 40, and this is x. I have to find out. So if we take another triangle, this is 40 plus 90 plus x is equal to 180. Then here 40 plus 90 is 130. X is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degrees. Okay. So like this we have to find out the unknown angles from the figure. Can you getting this how to solve? Okay. Okay, getting this? So I hope everyone is copied. Can I go for the next? Can I erase this board? Please type the message. Can you all copy this? If you type a message S, then only I can erase this. Okay, write down these sums. Very important how they are flipping the properties over here. Okay, that is very important. Once you finish, then type S. Okay. Okay, I will draw figures for this that you have to calculate. Okay, I will check who will type the answer first. Correct answer, who is typing? So here you can draw the diagram. This is x, this is y, z, 30, 50, a, b, c and d, and then another figure is given. Check how we did the first. No, exact ulta sum is given. B, C, D and E. DE is parallel to BC. This is A, X. This is 50. This is 40. This is Y and this is Z. Okay, I am waiting for your reply. Okay, solve. I will give you 2 minutes. Yes, everyone copied. Getting the answers. Check once. X and Y are Z for first one. Okay. Okay. Yes. Correct. Okay. So now this is 50, 50, 100, 100. Then X is equal to 80. No, because triangle angle sum property A, B, C. This is a triangle and triangle angle sum property is 180. So here if you want, check here, 50 plus 50 plus X is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 100. That is equal to 80. So here X I will get it as a 80 and X and Y are form a linear pair, no? So X plus Y is equal to 180. X have 180, then Y is equal to 180. So Y is equal to 180 minus 80 is nothing but how much? 100. So Y I am getting it as 100, and again if we take a triangle ACD, then here angle 30 plus angle Y plus Z is equal to 180, because that small angle triangle sum is also 180. So here 30, Y value I got it as 100 plus Z is equal to 180. So Z is equal to 180 minus 130. That is nothing but here 50 degrees. Okay, Z I am getting how much here? 50 degrees. So here I got X as a 80 degrees, then Y as a 100 degrees and Z as a 50 degrees. So these are the answer for this figure 1. Okay, and if we go for the second figure, here if we take about triangle DAC, this is base angle is 50 and 40, then X, they form what? They form a triangle. So their angle sum property is how much? 180 degree. So here we can write X is equal to 180 minus 90, no? Because 40 plus 50 is nothing but 90. Transpose to that side. So X I am getting how much here? 90. I got X is equal to 90. Then here we can write Y is also 50 and Z is also 40, because here corresponding angles, no? Here if suppose DE is parallel to BC, then they have form a corresponding angle, then their angle values are also same. So these are the answers. Okay, check once. You should learn all the properties of triangle and triangles. Okay, very basic chapter, because same concept we are using for 8th standard, 9th and 10th. Okay, so learn all the properties which you have in your syllabus, and don't forget the syllabus. Okay, my 7th standard is over now. No requirement of this basics and all. Okay, no, you all have this again in 8th, 9th and 10th. Not in 10th also, in 11th, 12th also. Those who are taking science, there also we require this. Okay, copy this. Okay, copied everyone? Copied, can I erase this? You can type something, otherwise I will erase them. So we can go for the next one. Write down, if one angle of a triangle is 60 degree, if one angle of a triangle is 60 degrees, and other two angles are in ratio 1:2, find the angles. If one angle of triangle is 60 degrees and the other two angles are in a ratio 1:2, find the angles. Okay, so we can find out that angles here. Okay, one angle is 60 and other two angles are in the ratio. Their values are not given but their ratios are given. So we have to find out that two angles. Okay, just now before this means one problem we did. The angles ratio are in 2:3:4. Okay, like that only here we have one triangle given. Okay, and here the one angle is given 60 and other two angles are 1:2 ratio. Suppose if you are taking this as a 1 and this as a 2, they are not the angle values, the ratios are given. That means we are assuming these angles as a x. So here 1x and another angle is 2x. So which property we can apply to get the value for x here? Triangle angle sum property. Okay, 60 plus x plus 2x is equal to 180. So here 3x is equal to 180 minus 60. That is equal to here 123x. So x is equal to 120 upon 3. That is here x I will get it as a 4. But here one angle is 1x, another angle is 2x. 1x is nothing but 1 into 40. Okay, that is equal to 40 degrees. And another angle 2x is nothing but 2 into 40. That is equal to 80 degrees. Can you getting this? Okay. And check here, 80 plus 40 is 120 and 120 plus 60 is nothing but 180. Okay, here angle sum also we are getting 180 degrees at the final. Yes, I am good. What about you? After a long time? Okay. Chalo. What is your real name? So write down next question. The line segments AB and CD intersects. The line segments AB and CD intersects at O such that AC is parallel to DB. AC is parallel to DB if angle CAB is equal to 35 if angle CAB is equal to 35 degrees and angle CDB is a 55, then find the angle BOD. Then find the angle BOD. Okay, I will repeat. The line segment AB and CD intersect at O such that AC is parallel to DB and angle CAB is 35 and CDB is equal to 55. Find the angle BOD. Okay, so this is what the question given. So diagram, let me check if they are given or not. Yeah, the diagram is given like this. The diagram is given like this. This is here A, O and D and AOB, and this is DOC, and here angle CAB. CAB means this angle is given 35 and CDB this is given 55 degrees. Okay, find the angle BOD. Okay, this angle we have to find out. Okay, so it's very easy now how to find out these angles. Can you able to see here? They are saying here AC is parallel to DB. So if you check this, this is forming what? Z, no? This forms the Z. So whatever the angle 35 is there, the same angle is also here 35, no? Correct? So if this is 35, now can you able to see the separate angle here? B, D, O. Here D is 55, B is 35, O we have to find out. Okay? So how can you find out here? So here we can use triangle angle sum property. X plus 35 plus 55 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 35 plus 55 is nothing but what? 90. Okay. So 180 minus 90 is nothing but 90. So BOD I got it as 90 degrees. Getting how to solve? Okay. Go properly, go sequence wise, then you will get the answers properly. Okay, everyone can copy this. Write down one more question. Write down one more question. Write down. Two of the angles are indicated. The two of the angles are indicated. What are the measures of angle ACX? Measures of angle ACX and angle ACB Okay, the two of the angles are indicated. What are the measures of angle ACX and ACB? Okay, and here figure is given. I will draw the figure. Okay. Here figure is given. This is 50 degrees, this is 55 degrees. Okay. we have to find out this angle and this angle. Okay, easy no? We have the exterior angle sum property. Suppose this, if I am taking this as an angle x and this as a y. So can I write x is nothing but sum of these two angles, 50 plus 55, that is equal to 105. Getting this? And y and x are in linear pair, no? That is 180. So here we know the x, y is equal to 180 minus x, that is 180 minus 105. So this is nothing but how much? 180 minus 105 is nothing but 75. Getting this? Understood how to solve these questions? So easy, all conceptual questions are there. Whatever you learn, you have to apply it and find out. Okay? So write down one more question. Write down one more question. So here write down next question. In a triangle, an exterior angle, in a triangle, an exterior angle at a vertex is 95 and its one of the interior opposite angle is 55 and its one of the interior opposite angle is 55. Find all the angles of the triangle. Find all the angles of the triangle. Okay. So here the question is given. This is the last question we are doing. Okay. So same figure but values are changed here. They are saying the exterior angle is given 95 degrees. Okay, and here interior opposite angle is 55. Means you can take any one opposite angle, either this or this 55. I will take it as a x. Okay, they are asking find other angles. So we have to find out x and we have to find out again y. So here we know that if we want to calculate x, then can I write x plus 55 is equal to 95 because exterior angle sum property. So x is equal to how much? 95 minus 55. Do this subtraction. 40. So here 40. Okay. And again if I want y, then 95 plus y are in a linear pair and their sum is 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 95. So do this, how much you will get, check. How much you will get? 85. Okay. So these are the what answers. Getting this? So still some questions are there that we will do it afterwards. So you can copy this. Then I will leave this meeting. Okay. Okay, everyone. Everyone copied. So can I leave this meeting?
No.
Okay, I will end this meeting.